Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a lemon dump cake. So what you're going to need for this is, of course, I got the cooking spray, and then got a like a 15-ounce cake mix, lemon cake mix, and a 21-ounce can of the lemon pie filling or lemon cream, and 8 ounces of cream cheese, which we'll cube up for this, and then a half a cup of unsalted butter or butter. You'll need this cut up. I got the unsalted. Gotta watch my sodium intake. You can use salted butter, so any butter or not. And then again, I'm going to use some whipped cream to top this with. So let's get this started and see how it all turns out. It should be good. I got the oven preheating at 350. So let me get everything set up that I need to get set up here, and then we will start working on this and get it going. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is spray down our baking pan, and in there. Now we're going to dump in our lemon cream. Okay, still got some more in here. It's 21 ounces, so scoop it on out of here. Alright, we're gonna try to spread this out a little bit. A bit more in there. Alright, there we go. Okay. Now we're going to take the cake mix and we're going to sprinkle half of it on here. Alright, put that back in there. Now we're going to take our cream cheese, and we're just going to drop the cream cheese in here about as evenly as we can. It'll be real good. And this is a 9 by 13 inch glass baking sheet. or baking pan. So that's what you're going to need for this. Okay, just a few more pieces. See if we can get it even as we can here. Alright, so we'll set that over there. Now we will take the remaining of our cake mix and cover up the cream cheese. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is put the butter on here, and just do it as evenly as we can. We've got it cut up in little parts. It's one stick, it's about a half cup of butter. So this should be good, especially if you like lemon, and I like lemon. I'm not usually crazy about it, but when I do have it, I like it. So, and we're going to enjoy this when it's all done. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, now we're going to take this, put it in the oven, preheated oven at 350 for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to put the Cool Whip on it, and it should be real good at that point. So let me go ahead and put this in the oven, and I'll see you guys in 40 minutes. Okay, guys. Now for the final step, we're going to put the Cool Whip on here. This turned out pretty good. I let it cool a little bit. So we're going to take this Cool Whip and get it, spread it on here. So this should be good. Just got to make sure that your Cool Whip is thawed out before you spread it on here. A little bit of leftover Alright, there we go. All spread on there. It looks nice. Alright, there we go. There we go. Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, there we go. That looks good. Okay, guys. Let's take a little piece of this out and give it a try. Alright, so here we go. Look at that. Looks good, it smells good. We're gonna take a little piece of it here, and here we go. This is good. Yeah. Nice lemon taste, just fills the mouth with the lemon. And you got the creaminess of the cream cheese, and the whipped cream just, it's a good touch to it. It's real good. Okay, guys. This was the lemon dump cake. As you can see, it was really easy to make, as all dump recipes are. And it's full of flavor. If you like lemon flavor, then you'll love this one. And I do recommend putting the, you can leave the Cool Whip off, but I do recommend putting on it. It just adds to the flavor. So, alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Take time to comment below what you think about this recipe, and if you've tried it, let me know. And I really enjoy reading comments. And also, if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I normally have a cooking show on Saturdays. Been a little off because I've been dealing with some sickness in the family, so I haven't been got off the schedule a little bit, and just I'm recovering from being sick myself. So alright, guys, well, I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video. And I'm going to finish this up, and I'll see you guys later.